Yeah, Pamti,
Yes,
you can
sir, I
see,
got your reply.
yeah, I always give the reply. Once I see the email, I give the reply. So where's your friends?
I don't know, sir. They joined.
If they are in the waiting room, let me know. Huh? You can see the screen, right? Your book. Hello, Pamti.
Yes, sir.
So you see, this one we are going to review today. Section 1.02. Huh? So in section 1.2, we got more about units. We have here the name and symbols for different units. We have here meter, kilogram, second. Then we are having some units after the name of scientist. Those are Newton, Pascal, Ampere. When we are writing in short form, the unit after the name of scientist we should write in capital letter. Do you understand it? Pungti, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you see here, these symbols are not given in capital form. Meter, kg, then second. But Newton, Pascal, Ampere, these are given in capital letter, right? Short form. So this is showing that these are after the name of scientist. Then we have here formula definition of density. What is the definition of density? You know? Hello,
No,
Pamti.
sir.
You don't know the definition of density. Density is the mass per unit volume. Can you say with me? Density is mass per unit volume. Can you repeat after me?
I'm writing.
Yeah, yeah. Density,
Is mass
mass per unit volume. You also write here, huh? On the screen we can write.
Hello,
Density.
sir.
Hello, sir. How are you?
आपने क्या सर आपने क्या email पेज है
Yes, I
forward
gave
पे?
you the reply also.
Yes, okay.
Density is mass. You write it, huh? Everyone write this definition. Density is mass per unit volume. And another one, that is formula, we can write density equals mass divided by
By volume.
volume. Yes. So SI unit of density is what?
kg per meter cube.
SI unit is SI unit of density is
kg
kg
per meter cube. Per meter cube.
per meter cube, right?
Sir.
So is it clear, everyone?
yes, sir.
And we have uh, density of water, that is 1000 kg per meter cube. Here we see water has a density of 1000 kilograms per cubic meter.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is
Sir,
standard one.
somebody left the class.
Somebody,
Yes, sir.
who is that somebody?
Hassan Mohammed Sandwell.
Hassan Mohammed Sharia.
Okay, maybe it's disconnected for network. So we have here density of water, how much?
1000.
Yeah, 1000
1000
kg.
kg per meter cube.
Yeah,
Per,
density of water 1000 kg per meter cube. You remember it, okay? And if you are getting the unit of density in kg gram per centimeter cube, the density of water in gram per centimeter, it is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Okay,
yes,
when you remember this, you write it in your copy. You
sir.
write it.
I
And also, we discussed this one. You join late. That the units after the name of scientist, we are writing in cubital form. When you are writing in short form, huh?
Newton,
Yes, like
watt,
Newtons will be
watt,
capital
Kelvin,
N.
Newton, Pascal, ampere, and
ampere.
another one is afterwards we are getting, that is power. The unit of power we are getting, that is watt. Okay, W.
Yes, sir.
That one also will get afterwards. It's after the name of scientist. Watt. So this section is more about units, right? Watt. Hassan Mohammed Shariar, you got disconnected. You you have the recording, huh? So you go through the recording to get the missed things. Okay, you should go through the recording for getting the missed things. So these are the units we are getting after the name of scientist: watt, ampere, Pascal, Newton. Sadika is coming.
Sir,
Yes, tell me. Pomti, tell
Ruhi
me.
is having some internet connection problem. That's why she can join the class.
Who?
Ruhi.
Okay, tell her to watch the recording. Okay, when we are done, I will upload the recording. Then tell her to watch the recordings. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Sir, sorry, I was having internet problems.
no problem, no problem. If you have internet problem, that's why we are having the recordings, right? Watch the recordings. You will get the missed things. So
Okay, sir.
we are having all this. You see, already we discussed about this. 1 gram per centimeter cube equals 1000 kg per meter cube. That is density of water. Now take out these questions. Already we did, right? All these questions we did before.
Yes, sir.
Can you remember? And
Yes, sir.
you also did with me. You got the notes also on these notes. All this solution you have the notes. So go through, revise. I will give you the similar questions. Exactly,
Sir,
exactly.
book
Yeah,
questions.
exactly. I will give you the similar questions, and you will only get the numbers changed. Here we are having 2700. There
kg
might
per
be
meter cube.
different numbers. Okay. Here we are getting
Okay, sir.
aluminum. There might be another metal. Okay. So this way there will be
Okay.
difference, but the process or the question pattern, everything will be
Will be
same.
same.
Yes, the way you are getting in your book, the same way I'll give. There will be no difference. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how long our class will continue? 150, right?
Yes, sir. 150.
So can you try this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? These questions can we try? Question number 1. From you, I will
Yes,
say
sir.
the name, you will discuss. Huh? Then I want Saleha to discuss question 1. Saleha, can you see the
Sir,
question?
which one?
You can see the screen.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
question number 1, section 1.02. Question number 1.
Yes, sir. Which of the above units do you think are named after scientists? How can you tell?
Yes. Where are the units given above, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are going above. Yeah, this one.
Volt,
Yes.
watt,
And
Sir, the
yes.
answer will
watt,
be Newton,
and joule.
Pascal, and Ampere.
Yeah, here in this list, we are getting the units symbol which are capital. Those are after the name of scientist, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So the previous one we learned, and now we are applying that if we are getting any units capital form, the short form is capital. That means that is after the name of scientist. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now continue to.
The density of aluminium is 2,700 kilogram by meter cube. What is the mass of 1 meter of aluminium? 1 meter cube of aluminium. B. 10 meter cube of aluminium.
Yes. So how we'll get it? From the formula of density, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you remember that one? The formula of density.
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula?
N equals to mass equals to density into volume.
So you are going to find the mass, right? You are having
Yes,
this
sir.
formula rho equals m by v, right? Rho is standing for density. The symbol of density is rho. Then m for mass, v for volume. You should write on your copy. Question number 2 we are solving. As we are going to find the mass, as Pongti told, multiply. We have to multiply density and volume, right? Rho times V. M equals density multiplied by volume. So, what is the density given?
So we are finding the volume, right?
Look, they are saying what is the mass of?
So mass is kg and meter cube is
Yeah, your meter
Yes,
cube is given. What is the mass of 1 meter cube of aluminium? That means the volume is given and you have to find the mass. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Is it clear now? Now you are having the volume and density. You have to find the mass. That's why we made the equation by making m as subject, so that we can put the values and get the answer, right? Now density is given how much? 2700. Please write on your paper.
2700 kg per
Otherwise you will
meter
forget again. Huh?
cube.
Right. Please write. It is A. We are solving A. So 1 meter cube.
2,700 kg.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
2000.
That's the answer.
2700 kg. Then what will be the answer of B?
20,000, 7,000 kg.
20.
8,000.
27,000 only, right?
27,000
Yes, sir. 27,000.
10 times.
kg.
It was first one was 1 meter cube. Second one is 10 meter cube, right? So we are getting 10 times, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 10 times means it will be 27,000 kg. Is it clear? Question 2. Is it clear, everyone? Question 2.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we can go to
Yes,
question
sir.
3. Question 3. We will solve question 3. Shahadat. Shahadat Akhtar Talukdar. Where is Shahadat Akhtar Talukdar? Shahadat. Hello, Shahadat. Shahadat, you make your microphone unmute. Then talk to us. Hamid Shirazi.
Sir, can I answer?
Wait. We can get the answer from other students. They have.
Yes, sir.
We can get the answer from other students, right?
Yes,
Mufti?
sir.
Yeah. So Tahmid Shirazi, you can do 3. Uh, can you read question 3, Tahmid?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Continue. Read it loudly so that everyone can get it.
Oh, use
Recordings.
the information from the chart of densities on the left to help you answer the following. Which has more mass, the 1 meter cube of petrol or 1 meter cube of water? Sir, 1 meter cube of water.
Which one has more mass? How you can decide it?
Sir, because petrol has 800 kilogram, I
The
mean,
mass of
mass.
petrol is 800 kilogram. Yes. And the mass
And
of water is
wow,
1,000 kilogram.
1000, yes.
So how you got it?
By calculating the mass equals to density multiplied by volume.
Excellent. So the same way we'll do, right? The way we did question 2, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So that will be mass equals density times volume. Then if you multiply, you will see that petrol comes 800, right? 800
Yes, sir.
kg. And the water comes 1000 kg. Then we can decide, yes, water has more mass. Now part B. Can you continue part B? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Which has more volume, takes up more space, 1 kg of petrol or 1 kg of water?
Yeah. Which one?
Sir, obviously water,
1
because
kg of petrol.
No. No.
Petrol. 1 kg of petrol.
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 Yes. And
Keyboard.
how can we get it? The same way, right?
B
You have
equals
to
Yes, sir.
to
you have to
B equals
rearrange.
to mass by density.
Yeah, you have to rearrange the formula.
The volume of petrol is 0.00125 and the volume of water is
Yeah,
0.001.
Pomti, can you show the working for 3B on screen?
How?
On screen, the way I showed, you should annotate. You should annotate. Can you do it, Pomti?
By turning on the video,
You want to
I
turn?
can show from my copy. I can show it from my copy. the workout.
Yeah, you can show it from your copy. So everyone, are you seeing the answers? Can you send it to the group, Pongti? In our group,
Okay, sure.
can you send it to our group? It will be easier to check from there.
Okay, sir.
And now I'm showing you all. You see, we are doing now 3B. How to get the volume? We are having this formula: rho equals mass per volume, right? Rho means density. Density equals mass per volume. So volume will be what? Volume will be mass
V is
per,
equal to mass by rho.
yes, rho means density, right? Mass by density. So we can put the values now for the first one. Which one is for petrol, right? Petrol, we are having the mass, how much? 1 kg.
1 kg, and the density is 800 kg per meter cube.
So 800, we are getting this one, 800, then 1 by 800, how much?
0.00125.
0.0, then another 0.
Yes, sir.
0.00125, and the unit should be what? Everyone should take these notes. They who couldn't do it
Meter
yet,
cube.
yeah, they who couldn't do it yet, you should do it now. This is for petrol, right? So we are
Yes, sir.
getting this volume,
Yes,
we are
sir.
getting for petrol, VP. Now we are having the same equation for water. That is giving us 1 kg again, 1 kg, and the density is what?
1000 kg per meter cube.
So 1 by 1000. And what is this answer coming?
0.001 meter cube.
0.001
001 meter cube.
meter cube. So which volume is greater?
The
Which volume?
petrol one.
VP is
Water.
bigger, right? So VP is greater than VW, right?
Yes, sir.
Can we write this way? Everyone, you took the notes the way I wrote. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Tamish Shiraji, you understood it now, right?
Yes, sir.
And everyone understood. Now we can continue 4. Who will read 4? Who will do 4? Tamish Shiraji gone, then Adit. Adit,
Yes, sir.
can you do 4? Question 4?
Supporting with below the
Yeah, read loudly. Read loudly.
below which block X or Y has the greater mass,
Greater mass
volume, density?
density. So you understand from the diagram easily about mass and volume, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think we have to find the mass.
Mass is given. For X,
Yeah.
the mass is given 7800 kg. For Y, the mass is given 5400 kg. So you can get it directly, right?
Yes, sir.
So this one,
Mm,
what is the answer for A? Which one has more mass?
X.
X,
X. Then volume, which one has more?
Y.
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 Y. Very simple, right? It's given 1 meter cube, 2 meter
Sir,
cube. So
অনেক
Y
easy.
has more volume.
Physics.
But you wanted to calculate at the beginning. Adit,
Yes, sir.
you wanted to calculate it first, the mass. Though it's given directly, but you wanted to calculate. Why? Without calculation, you can do it, right?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
A and B, very simple. Only C you have to calculate. C, can you do the,
Density.
can you do the working of density for X and Y?
Density. আচ্ছা
Everyone
তাহলে
do on your copy.
আচ্ছা স্যার এক মিনিট
Amir Shirazi,
তাহলে
Rohan,
ডেনসিটি
Mukti,
Sir,
all of you, I think you have
the
done, right?
answer of the
Are done.
density of
Artin,
X is
Shahadat Talukdar.
7800.
Yeah. First one is 7800 kg per meter cube, right? Density.
Yes, sir.
kg per
7,800.
meter cube.
So
Yes,
what is
sir.
the formula? The formula is rho equals mass
by
per
V.
volume. That means density equals mass per volume. So we have here,
Yes, sir.
first one we have directly we can get it 7800, right? 7800. I'm writing a text, no problem. That will be easier for us. So the first one is giving us 7800 divided by 1, right?
Look, kg.
Yeah, divided by 1. Then we have 7800 kg
Kg
per
by
meter
meter cube.
cube. For the other one, we can get here
2700 kg per meter.
5. Great.
700
Yes, correct. Divided by 2,
kg
so
by
we are having
meter
here
cube.
2700 kg per meter cube. So done, everyone. Question 4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So
Yes,
which
sir.
one has greater density? Which one has greater density? X or Y?
X.
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 X has more density. So you write it on your copy that X has more
More
density.
density.
Is it clear now? Question 4.
Yes, sir.
Then question 5. Question 5. Continue. Adit, you continue question 5.
Okay, use the chart of densities on the left to help you decide which of the blocks X and Y below could be made from.
Okay. So which one?
Density chart use করতে বলছে তো।
Yeah, here, left side, you see? Air has 1.3, petrol has 800, water has 1000, concrete 2400 kg per meter cube, aluminum 2700 kg per meter cube, steel 7800, lead you
Sir,
have gold,
box
osmium.
X is made up of steel
Yeah, which one?
because its
X.
density is 7. Box X.
Yeah, box size is made from what? Steel, right?
Yes, sir.
Steel.
Steel.
Yes, sir.
So you write it. Box X
Yes,
is
sir. X.
made from steel, and block Y is made from
Aluminium.
aluminum because the density is given 2700. So it's clear to you? Hello? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear? Is it clear? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
questions very difficult or easy?
Easy, sir.
Easy.
If
No,
you
sir,
have,
it is very easy.
yeah, if you have
Very easy,
similar,
very easy.
if you have similar questions, you can solve, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So we discussed all the questions from this page also. Now we have,
Sir,
yes,
sir, will I only send question 3 in the group?
again.
Will I only send question 3, the answer of question 3 in the group?
Yeah, you can send all, no problem. You can send all of them.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Now, look, we are done with section 1.01, 1.02. Then also we discussed 1.03 before. In 1.03, there is no questions at the end of the section. We have end of chapter questions, right? These questions also we discussed all. And I got answers from Rohan, then Pongti, and Saleha. These three students submitted me this homework. What about others? What about others?
Sir,
Like,
correct. Yes.
yeah, Shahada, Tahmid, Shiraji, then Tahmid Hassan, you did not submit. Adit, you did not submit. When I will get your
Sir,
one?
খেয়াল ছিল না।
When will I get your one? Today you can submit? Tonight? Hello?
Tonight.
Yeah. Because tomorrow
Night.
you have physics test. So if you do it today, it will be a practice for you, right?
হ্যাঁ, yes, sir, এটাই বলতেছি। প্র্যাকটিস হবে প্লাস।
Yeah. So can you submit it today, please? All of you?
স্যার রাতে?
Yes.
Sir, I
Tonight.
have sent you through doc scanner, document scanner.
Whatever I
স্যার
got.
মেসেঞ্জারে পাঠাবো?
No, in email, in my email. I sent you the email address also in
স্যার
Google.
ইমেল কি স্যার?
Email address I sent you in Google Classroom. Today also I'll give, okay? In our group also I'll give. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
স্যার
In group I will give. Also I'll give in your Google Classroom in the comment section. Okay. Today's posting is there. In today's posting in comment I will give you the email address. Is it fine for you?
yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
please send me. They who did not send, today you send, then it will be good practice for you. And who are submitting the homeworks, they will get good classwork marks, homework marks. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
So
ধন্যবাদ।
you have to do it. If you are
শাহজাহান
not submitted the homework, then I cannot give you good marks.
স্যার আপনি কি হোমওয়ার্কগুলো চেক করেছেন?
Yes, I got it. And you know that all the questions are discussed, right? So
Yes,
there
sir.
is nothing new. You did not get anything new. As we discussed all of them, you already got the answer of all of them, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can you see one question? I made one question for you. A very easy question using the similar idea you have. Can you find the answer of this question? Anyone please read? Saleha. Saleha. Saleha, can you read this
Sir?
question?
A
স্যার
room
এটা কি
has
টেস্ট?
This one is not test. This
Question.
is one of the questions. This is not test paper. The test paper will be like this. Okay.
ওকে।
So I will give you the similar questions. The one you are getting in the book. Just I am giving you.
What
a
is the
sample.
mass of the air in the room?
Yeah, Saleha, read the question, please,
a
loudly.
room has dimensions 5.0 meter multiplied by 4.0 meter multiplied by 3.0 meter. What is the
Right.
mass of the air in the room?
Sir,
A.
I know the answer.
Yeah, I think all of you can solve it because you know the formula, right? So you do. All of you do. I am giving you 1 minute. By 1 minute you finish it and get ready with your microphone ready. Then I will ask you randomly. Pongti also you do. All of you do. Adit, Rohan, Saleha, Saraf, then
Sir,
Okay,
Shahbaz,
sir. Okay, sir.
Tamid Shiraji, Tamid Hassan, all of you do. Try it. You have the formula. You have to find the mass. Make the formula for mass.
Question টা বলুন না।
You have the density here given at the first line. You see the density is given.
জি স্যার।
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can do it easily now.
Density equals to
Yeah, we have this formula. Density equals mass per volume. And are you finding density or you are finding mass?
The room's volume is
See,
Volume
volume is
volume you are getting from here. If you multiply
yes,
all of
yes, 60, 60, 60
and
m cube, m cube.
yes, very good, very good. Then do it.
and the answer will be 0.02 kg.
How much?
0.02 kg.
Are you writing this way?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Do it, please. Density is given 1.2. Then volume is given how much?
60.
60
60.
70
Very good.
72 kg. 72 kg.
So is it very difficult question?
72 kg.
Is it beyond
Yes,
your
sir.
knowledge or
Sir.
within your knowledge?
Sir, within our knowledge.
So this type of questions you can solve, right?
Yes, sir.
If I give you similar questions, you can solve, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much for joining class. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.